The same test suite passes on your laptop and fails on the build server. Nobody touched the code. Same 4 tests, 3 different machines. Green on your laptop, green on a colleague's. And on the build server, checkout goes red, not every time, which is the worst part, just often enough that nobody trusts the suite anymore. That word, flaky, is the most expensive word in test automation. It costs trust, and once a team stops trusting a red build, the suite may as well not exist. You have met the spotlight that finds your actor, the directions you give them, and the critic who says whether it went right. Here is what nobody mentioned. All 3 have been waiting for the stage to be ready this entire time. 3 parts. Why sleeping is a disease and not a fix. The pre-flight checklist Playwright runs before it touches anything at all, and how to wait properly on the rare day you genuinely have to. Almost every flaky test in the world traces back to one habit. This is the episode that kills it. Every beginner writes this, and plenty of people keep writing it for years. Go to the page. Sleep 5 seconds because the page probably needs a moment. Click the menu. Sleep 2 more just to be safe. Every one of those numbers is a guess. Here is why the guess breaks. That button does not exist until the request that draws it comes back. On a fast connection, that lands inside a second. On a slow one, the cart call alone takes 5. Measured across a few hundred real runs, it looks like this. On your laptop, the button turns up well under a second. On the build server, the middle is slower, and the tail is very long. No number is right on both. Write this on the wall. Time, sleep is code smell number 1. Too short, and the test is flaky. Too long, and the suite is slow. 200 tests wasting 4 seconds, each adds 20 minutes to every run. Now, what Playwright is quietly doing instead, every single time you act. Before Playwright touches that button, it runs a checklist, like a pilot before takeoff. Is it attached? Can a human see it? Has it stopped moving? Is it enabled? Is nothing covering it? And that last one is where the cookie banner gets caught. And that was one completely ordinary line of code. You wrote find the checkout button and click it. Playwright turned that into 5 checks and up to 30 seconds of patience, and then clicked at the earliest moment it was actually safe to. First check. A button exists on the page, but a cookie banner is sitting over it. What does click do? Have a think, and pause the video if you want longer. Ready? It is C. Playwright waits for the banner to go. The card for your wall, and it is 5 words. Attached, visible, stable, enabled, uncovered. 5 checks, every single action, whether you asked for them or not. This is why the last 3 episodes kept telling you it waits for you. There are 3 layers of patience stacked on top of each other. Locators find the element fresh every time. Actions wait until it is ready. And expect keeps rechecking. And here's the part nobody expects. Deleting all those sleeps does not make your suite slower and safer. It makes it faster. Every action now takes exactly as long as the app takes, and not 1 second more. And finally, the rare day when you do have to wait for something yourself. Sometimes no action and no assertion naturally covers the thing you are waiting for. Even then, the answer is never sleep. Ask yourself one question instead, and answer it out loud. Wait for the dashboard to load. What does that actually mean? Name it. It means the address in the bar changed. It means the spinner left the stage. And it means the data table finally showed up. 3 conditions and 3 real waits. One more kind of wait, and then Act 2. If what you are waiting for is a network call coming back, Playwright has expect response for exactly that. It gets a whole lesson to itself in Act 3. Last check. Click Generate Report. A spinner shows, then a table appears 3 to 10 seconds later. What is the professional wait? Have a think and pause if you need longer. Ready? It is C. Name the condition and give it room. And when a wait genuinely cannot succeed, the timeout hands you gold instead of a shrug. It found the button. It tells you the button is disabled. And it says in plain words that it is still waiting for that to change. Pro corner, and it is the sentence that ends the argument. Sleep is what you write when you have not answered the question. Name the condition and wait for that condition, and the number stops mattering entirely. Episode 7 in 3 lines. Sleep is guessing, and guessing is why suites flake. Every action already runs 5 checks, and waits up to 30 seconds for you. And on the rare day you must wait yourself, Name the condition. And that closes Act 1. You can open a browser, find anything on a page, drive it, check it, and never write asleep again. Act 2 turns those scripts into a real test suite. Every lesson is free at the Playwright Dojo.